How to set up SEO on Wix. So from the left hand side, if we scroll down, we should be able to see marketing and SEO. Once we hover over it, then the second option will be for SEO here, and I'm just going to select it. The page should look something like this. At the very top, you will have SEO Assistant, and it will basically take us through all of the steps that we need to take to complete our SEO optimization. And if we scroll down, we will also be able to see the Google Search Console and how we can connect it here, as well as the tools and settings. So we have SEO setup checklist, SEO settings, site inspections. I'm going to show you what we have to do here now. So first we want to set this up. So I will click on continue setup because I have some information input from before, but I'm going to show you what it looks like one by one. So the first step is this. So we have to create a title. So as you can see, it generates some generic titles for us, or if we want to input in our own custom one, we can type it out and then we will simply click on apply and publish here. Now, the second thing that we need to do is write a description. So as you can see, I've clicked on edit here, and basically it's going to look like this. Write a description, and I've written this in an example store for NetHelp e-commerce YouTube influencer website. This is, again, like I said, just as an example. And then it will ask us to add text to the home page. So it will require at least one keyword, which we've typed out here. So I've written store, e-commerce, and influencer. I'm going to click on here. It's going to look like this. So store, e-commerce, influencer. And then the business site or site name. So I've written my net store name here. And the next step was this: allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search results. So your homepage and site are eligible for indexing. It can be visible in search results. Basically right here, it just gives you a trigger, which we have to click on yes, and it allows this to happen, and basically enables this option. And here, optimize for mobile devices. Again, it gives you a trigger which you have to select to enable mobile friendly websites. And the second to last step here, if we want to optimize our Wix website for SEO or set this up, will require us to connect our website to a custom domain, which actually requires premium. And then it will ask us to connect to the Google Search Console itself, which is a fairly easy process. I have a tutorial on it as well. So those are the steps that you need to take here if you want to actually set this up. Here you can see some other information as well as some issues which we might be able to fix. So we need to add alt text to all images. We need to add the about me and alt text to images on the about me page. So just complete this as well, and then it will you will have successfully set up your SEO for your Wix website. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.